Okay, you guys, this video is all about Tati Beauty. Now, if you guys do not know who Tati is, I'm so sorry because, honey, she's so sickening. Honestly, she's one of the girls that I trust when it comes to beauty. Everything that she has told me, it works. I love. She's amazing. Hit her up right now. She just recently came up with Volume 1, her first product in Tati Beauty. This is the full palette. You guys, this is sickening. This is cunt. Stay tuned because I'm about to show you guys how to get this glam and get it going. Tati Westbrook, not only the YouTube sensation, she's amazing online. She gives like the best tutorials. I love the way Tati breaks down makeup. Like, I mean, I think she's phenomenal at it. She reminds me of like a cute, like suburban mom. When I saw this palette online, I was kind of gagging. Every single color in the palette, I was so excited about. Tati Beauty released Volume 1. I have it in my studio. I'm gonna play with it today. When I received it, I did swatch just a little bit of it and I was actually stunned. The pigmentation is phenomenal. And I'm talking about the shimmers. I'm not talking about the mattes, because you know, it's a matte eyeshadows to me can really be like, oh my god, it's easy. But shimmers to me, kind of sometimes it's a hit and miss. So you guys, strap up, get ready, get a cocktail, get some brushes. I'm gonna give you the most glamorous look using Tati Beauty Volume 1. Alright you guys, so here we have it. This is Volume 1 Tati Beauty. This is probably one of my favorite packaging. It's just so clean. If you guys can literally feel how much it weighs, and I'm not talking about like a palette that's like in like a pyramid or a dome like a Jeffree Star where it's like actually like created that way. I'm talking about like a normal palette. I mean, this is super heavy. So you guys, this palette feels super luxurious. I love the color. It just looks so professionally done. It really just kind of looks sickening. Y'all can win my heart by the way the palette looks. So this palette goes for $48. I think it's a reasonable price. I don't think that's actually a lot. There's some palettes out there that cost like $80 and I'm like, why? The fuck am I paying your fucking phone bill for? And you know what, here's the thing. I trust this because I trust her. I trust what Tati says. So you pull off the slip this way. Oh wow, this is gold. Okay, cool, so there's a little bit of a twist here. I love that. Oh my god, this is so stunning. Also, you guys, right now, this is sold out, which is a fucking amazing thing. We're gonna go ahead and open it up. Are you all ready? Okay, you guys, these colors are fucking stunning. Look at this mirror. The mirror is literally the entire palette. Usually palettes this big will have like a mirror like this big. You know, they'll kind of fuck you over with a little round mirror. Tati was like, bitch, I'm gonna give you guys a mirror. I love that she has the sheet. Alright guys, so these are the colors. I do want to say something on how she named the colors, which I found pretty awesome. If y'all fuck with graphs, I don't really mess with graphs, but this is kind of like a graph to me. If you want to do this color right here, this is obviously the row glitter, and going up is the name of the actual shadow. So this right here is the shade Story, and it's in a glitter texture, which is kind of fucking amazing. So basically, you guys are probably confused because I was a little confused at first. She has 4 different textures and she has a total of 6 different colors. Textures are matte, sequin, metallic, and glitter. First of all, what the fuck is sequin? I've never heard of sequin in my entire life. Sequin, basically, just by looking at it, the glitters are smaller, and then I feel like when it gets to metallic, it's more like a metallic finish, and then glitter is like almost like that chunky glitter. I hate chunky glitter, but when I swatched this, you guys, I was actually kind of stunned. She's schematic the colors that you can kind of build your own smoky eyes going down using all the same colors. Like, this is well thought. This is something I've never seen done. Wow, that's stunning. So the colors we have is Memory, Ritual, Story, Soothe, Aura, and then Poet. My palette, if you guys, I mean, let me say, if I made my own palettes, girl, it'll be like sex, horror, slut girl, open-minded. I'm lost. Oh, that's a good shadow. I think it is time to swatch. Let's see these fucking colors. Alright you guys, so excuse my mess. You know what, bitch? If you're not making a mess, you're not doing makeup. I want you guys to get a close look at this. There's matte, there's sequin, metallic, and glitter. I'm gonna show you guys as much as I can and what colors stand out to me. I'm gonna touch that black. Black is black, mama. Black does not mean gray. And I'm not gonna call nobody out, but there is a lot of black shadows that look gray as fuck. I'm gonna go ahead and touch Aura in the sequin. Oh wow, look at that. What? Do you guys see the specks of glitter in that? Look at that glitter. That is so stunning. It's almost so buttery. This is Aura and glitter. Oh! Look at the glitter! Oh my god, that's stunning. So moving on, let's go ahead and pull something from Soothe. I'm gonna do Soothe in a metallic. Very shimmer. See now, instead of calling it metallic, I would call this like a shimmer. We're gonna do Story, which is an orange, and we're gonna do it in the matte color. Oh my god, look at that. That's stunning. Let's go ahead and do Story in a glitter. Look at that. Stunning. I'm gonna go ahead and do Poet in Sequin. Oh, I know I'm using that color today. That's so pretty. Look at this. Let's go ahead and do Ritual in glitter. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, these are so stunning. Like, look at this color. Let's go ahead and do Poet in glitter. Ooh, look at that. Okay, last but not least, Memory, which is a black, and we're gonna do Memory in matte. This is it. This is how you win my heart. Don't fuck it up. Oh, wow. Okay, look at that. Oh, that's black, y'all. I'm gonna do it one more time. Memory, which is the color black, and let's go ahead and do the metallic. Look at that. Oh, this is the Memory in metallic, and it's almost like a midnight black. That's so stunning. This is like my palette. Oh my god. Who wins nude palette of the year? Tati. Like, she just fucking shut down so many fucking palettes. I'm gonna burn everything else. I think it's time to put this on. What do you guys think? All right, you guys. So, did we not live for that swatch moment? It was good. I loved it. The black was black. I get that some people like to make the black not as so black, but when you're gonna say that, you need to name it something else. You guys, we're gonna go ahead and jump into makeup. This is a foundation primer, and this is obviously going to smooth on foundation primer. Can be applied over moisturizer or onto clean skin before Laura Basic tinted moisturizer, foundation, or concealer. This is gonna be hydrating, so I don't really need hydration right now, but I'm actually very curious to see how this goes. Thank God this came in because I don't really have a hydrating primer. Oh, it smells almost like lotion. Okay, so it kind of is like lotion. So I'm gonna take a little bit and just kind of massage it on the skin. Now that the weather is like changing, you kind of want to like maybe change up the skincare a little bit. I'm putting so much. It feels almost like a moisturizer. I mean, it's a little tacky. I used to use this back in the day. This is the Make It Forever Aqua Brow. And it's almost like a squeeze tube, and I just put some on my hand. It's not as thick as like a pomade, but this is waterproof, you guys. So if you guys need brows that do not come off, this one works really well. It dries almost like a powder. Usually when I highlight, you can start to see the brow better. I'm actually gonna start with skin first. All right, you guys, so now let's go ahead and blend that out. My skin feels super moist. So now we're gonna go ahead and get some foundation on. I'm gonna pull up YSL. I've been obsessed with this foundation. This is the All Hours foundation. Usually just a tiny bit goes a long way. I don't really get too close to my eye because that's usually where the concealer goes. I like to kind of like do a little bit on my chest just to kind of really blend in the color. I like to take my foundation all the way back into the hairline. It just kind of blends in the wig more. Packing it on, because there's nothing really to blend. I'm just making sure that the foundation is super even. Now I take my concealer, draw a stripe right across. And this is a very, very simple trick. And I just really just kind of give it like that nice brighter look. I really love that hydrating primer. I can really honestly tell like my texture, the skin looks way better. Maybe I do need hydration. Go ahead and blend out the forehead. Now we're just gonna contour the nose a little bit and contour the cheeks. I was in the Morphe store. I love this. I haven't talked about this yet. These are like contour sticks that I'm like, when the fuck did they come out with contour sticks? Okay, so I just take a little bit like this and just kind of do that little moment. Now these do dry down really fast. I don't really do it all over my face yet until I blend them out. And then I take a little brush, and now this is where I kind of go and like really contour my nose. So I take a beauty blender and I just really soften up the nose, and you just kind of take it and you just really pack it on. I find that the beauty blender just fits between my nose and my eyes. After I do my nose contour, I like to take the concealer, take the doe foot, and just really carve out the nose. I love to really contour and shape my nose. My nose, I've always been really insecure about my nose. I would love to have a nose job. And then now you want to blend it out. Really just pack it on like that. All right, you guys, so because I used Laura Mercier in the primer, which I'm actually kind of loving, we're gonna do a little bit of Laura Mercier. This is the legendary loose powder, and I do find that this doesn't really make your face look so thick. You take a beauty blender and you just kind of really pack it on. I'm not really setting everywhere. I'm just kind of setting the places that I know I get super early. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and dust off everything. Go ahead and grab your favorite highlight powder. Really brighten up underneath the eye, and then do a little bit on the forehead. Alright guys, so now I'm just really bronzing, bringing that bronzer back into the hairline. I want it to be really, really seamless. Do a little bit on the forehead. Alright, cool. So now what I usually like to do is I take the same bronzer and I kind of just take a little bit on my nose just to really make sure it matches my cheeks. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull out Slay All Day setting spray from Jeffree Cosmetics. This is the one with Rich Luxe. We're almost there, mamas. I do brows so because I have this thing where like sometimes I do shadow and I forget about my brows. So when you get a chance and you remember to do your brows, do your brows. So it is that time. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into this palette. We need to make sure we bake. And I usually always do that because it's like, why not just like bake while you do your eyeshadow, right? Oh, I don't want to use that one. I really think it's the Laura Mercier loose powder that makes it look really not as thick. All right, you guys, so we're gonna go ahead and open up the palette. This is Tati Beauty, and I'm gonna go ahead and use the mirror that it comes with because I'm actually very, very obsessed on how stunning this mirror looks. I'm gonna go ahead and use Aura and then tap it underneath the brow. That looks like an amazing brow undercolor. Oh, look at that. Oh, I'm like gagging because I actually like all the colors in this. So I'm just taking that color and just really pressing it underneath the brow. Look at the difference. And then I like to kind of take that brush and just really blend it down. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and get that crease color on. Should I do more of a red? I really want to use this color. So you guys, now we're gonna go ahead and dip into the colors. So first what I'm gonna do to create my crease is I wanna use the color Poet. I'm gonna start in the matte. Actually, should I start in this? Yes. I don't even know what to do! I'm just kidding. I almost forgot my primer, you guys. So make sure you prime your eyes. What's going on with me today? All right, you guys, so now take that primer and just really make sure it's on. So before we start, I mean, we already started. I'm very curious, like I actually want to take some of the shimmer of this color, so Aura, and I'm just gonna lightly just kind of like highlight my brow bone. This brush is gonna be Anastasia A10, and we're gonna go ahead and take this nice pretty color called Poet in metallic and just really bring it into the crease like that. Oh God, that color is so stunning. Really make sure you blend. Now because it is a shimmer color, we don't really want to be too messy with it, so you want to keep that colors really, really tight. And I like to take some and just kind of get it on like the lid a little bit. We're gonna go ahead and jump into Poet, and this is gonna be the sequin color. Just really give it like that nice dark smoky cranberry color. Oh wow. Same thing on this side, you guys. Get that color. Now this color is Poet in Sequin. Okay, so now next what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into the color Ritual. Ritual, I wanna say the color is almost, it's like a brown. Now we're gonna build it into the crease. The pigment is super pigmented. Like I'm like actually not even trying to put it on. I mean, you guys can obviously see. When I usually get towards my nose, I usually kind of like don't put too much weight on the brush, just kind of like blend it in softly. So you guys can see here it's super dark and it gets kind of lighter here. It's really the hand movement. You should just let the color do the color. Now I want you guys to grab a smaller brush that you think is gonna fit on the bottom of your eye. This is where we're gonna go ahead and bring in that cranberry color to make it really, really, really cranberry. I hate cranberries. Maybe call it something else, maroon. Cranberries are disgusting. Ugh, ugh, ugh. Isn't that like a Thanksgiving food? Yeah. Ooh. So now we're gonna go ahead and jump into Poet, but in the matte. And let's go ahead and go underneath the eye. Oh, I'm just taking it and we're just really blurring the under eye. Now this brush is one of my favorite brushes. This is the Hank & Henry Monica. It literally fits under the eye like perfect for me. So now this is gonna be the fun part. You're gonna take it and you're gonna wrap it up like that, where it's almost like this liner effect. Oh, it's pretty. Ooh, look at that. Who the fuck do I think I am? Oh wow, I love it. Oh, I love it. 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 So now in the palette, I'm gonna go ahead and pull out Story in Sequin. It's almost like that shimmery orange, super pretty. And I'm gonna buff this underneath the eye. And what this is gonna do is gonna really just blur out that cranberry color. Wow. You guys, this color Story in Sequin is beautiful. Like, what the fuck? Ah! So just dip it again because you just fucking love it. What this is really doing, you guys, it's giving you a nice fade. And I like to take a little bit of this and I kind of bring it into this little area crease here. So now that's pretty much good. Now we're gonna touch the black. This is where it's like gonna be like, oh. Go ahead and grab the black and then we're gonna get to the glitter. Hold on, we're gonna get to the glitter. This color is Memory in Matte. And now we're gonna go ahead and just really intensify this area right here. Bring it right here. All right, you guys, so the black is on. This is the part where we're gonna play with the glitter. I want you guys to go ahead and use something that can really hold glitter. This is Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. I do love this for glitter, and I do love this to put just regular eyeshadow. It's one of my favorite primers to use because it goes on super transparent. Now this does dry really fast. So once you guys get it on, get that glitter and get it on there. And we are gonna go ahead and play with, this color is called Soothe in Glitter, which is gonna be this top one right here. And I'm just taking it And I'm just really packing on the glitter. Look at that. So now go ahead and let's repeat the same step on the other side. No fallout. That primer is stunning. Let's go ahead and wipe off everything else. And let's go ahead and do some black on the waterline to really give like that nice smoky feel. Oh my god, I love that. Oh my god, I want to do something cool. All right, you guys, so now, remember that same brush? This is the Hank and Henry in Monica, and taking a little bit of black, and let's just really give a blurring, like, crease effect, where it just kind of shapes it really. It's almost like a crease, but it's not a crease. It just kind of pops that glitter out more, but you guys want to go to super light. Now I'm gonna get the color Story in matte and just really give me some color. I love orange blush, especially for tan skin, because it just looks really smooth and clean. I wonder if there's a highlight color I can use in here. Let's go ahead and highlight with Aura. This is the metallic color that I was talking to you guys about. I think it's gonna be really pretty. Oh my god, what the fuck? Tati! This is everything. Look at this. You guys, look at this. Oh my god, I'm fucking stunning. There's my new highlight color. I'm gonna go ahead and just bake my nose real fast. Taking the color Aura in matte, just kind of pinch my nose like that. Oh my god, I fucking love it. Oh wow. Now I want you guys to take a very, very good liquid liner. You don't really want it to be super drying because sometimes liner can push glitter around and get all weird. Make sure the liner that you're about to use is not gonna dry out on you, because usually when it starts to dry out, it starts to pull the glitter and it gets all weird. You get frustrated, you quit makeup forever. We don't want that to happen. I want that liner sharp, y'all. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, who the fuck do I think I am? Sorry, I cursed. Now, I draw my liner super slanted, you guys. You guys are free to draw whatever liner you guys want. I don't want to take it off. I want to keep it on. I want to take this off, like at all. Oh, wow. Let's stop looking at yourselves. Now, I'm going to really make sure my highlight is super on point. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this glitter and I'm going to really pack on the glitter on my cheek. Okay, you guys, I just took the glitter in Aura and I literally popped it on my highlight. Look how stunning that looks. Look at this. I mean, this is stunning too, but this is like, bitch, I'm here to play. Melting that glitter into that highlight. Oh. So now let's go ahead and just get some lashes on and we're gonna figure out a lip. I'm so feeling this right now. I literally don't even want to take it off. This Tati palette is so bomb. It is time for lashes. Oh, it's so fucking I don't even want to take this off. We have lashes on. Now today, you guys, I went ahead and used Tati lashes, the Mema Mitchell collection. We are now down to the moment of it all. What lip color am I gonna do today? Now, normally I would do like a super nude lip, but I'm kind of feeling a little like bold. We're gonna play with something cool, a dark shade. I'm gonna play with something maroon reddish. I feel like for this look, it's appropriate, especially at this time of year. So Morphe recently came up with a collection called Fierce by Nature. We're gonna go ahead and play with this color. I think this color is stunning. Also, we're gonna line it up with the Morphe liner. This liner is called Toasty. Go ahead and line the lips. All right, you guys, so I'm literally just filling in my lips with that liner. It's a little on the browner side, but we're gonna put the red gloss over it. It's almost like a maroon gloss. Now this gloss is called Foxy. This is the first time I'm gonna wear it, so let's see how it looks. Oh yeah, that's stunning. Wow, y'all know I need to put a wig on. But you guys, what do you guys think so far? So far, honestly, I'm in love. It is that time to put on some hair. I'll be right back. Ah! I'm totally feeling myself right now. I'm feeling my fantasy vibe. So let's go ahead and talk about the palette. I was living for every single color. I was having orgasms the entire time. Every color I touched was phenomenal. Honestly, I really, really love this palette. Do understand the way she created this was to kind of let you know that there are 4 different types of texture and there's 6 different colors. I use Aura as like my underbrow. I use Aura in sequence to see how it goes like that. I mix in a lot of Poet. I did the crease color in Poet Sequin and Poet Metallic. I also mixed in some Ritual Matte, Matte in Memory. On my lid color, I used the color Soothe in Glitter. Honestly, I think for her first palette, this is a really, really friendly palette to wear. I love that there's just so much versatility to it. This is an amazing, amazing first launch. I'm so excited for you, Tati. I love you so much. And if you see me, girl, let's collaborate. Let's play around because I know you need a drag queen friend. I love you guys so much. And if you guys are recreating this look, let me know as well. I hope you guys are gagging over my look. Hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in a bit.